One limitation of using candlestick patterns by themselves is that they do not provide potential price targets. This can be achieved, however, by combining candlesticks with other technical analysis techniques. The chart on the screen shows a head and shoulders pattern with an eventual breakout to the downside. During the development of the right shoulder, there is a bearish harami pattern followed by two long bearish candles. These add confirmation to the breakout when it occurs. However, without identification of the head and shoulders pattern, the bearish harami would not give any inclination of a potential price target. Using the traditional price target calculation of a head and shoulders pattern, a price target can be calculated by taking the distance from the top of the head to the neckline and subtracting that from the breakout of the neckline. Using both types of analysis together gives a potentially clearer picture than using either type in isolation. After all, technical analysis is not an exact science. You need to look for confirming signals to build evidence to support a likely outcome. A good corroborating signal gives you more confidence in your trading decisions.